vegetable chicken. Hello friends, my pleasure to have you here. If you like to eat sour vegetables, fish, then you'll love today's recipe too. This dish is amazingly delicious. Ingredients: chicken wings, sour vegetable, chilies, dried chilies, ginger, chopped garlic. Wash and separate winglet and drumnet. Chopped ginger. Diced spring onion and place onion white and onion green separately. Diced chilies. Diced sour vegetables. Stir-fry chopped ginger, onion white, dried chilies and chopped garlic until fragrant. Add chicken wings. Season to taste. Dark soy sauce to add color. Add sour vegetables. Just pour boiling water to cover the ingredients. Stew for approximately 15 minutes to 30 minutes according to chicken portions. Plate chicken. Mix chilies with cooking oil, air fryer at 180 degrees 5 minutes. Garnish with spring onion and chilies all. Wow, smells so good, yummy. so delicious. Don't forget to save this recipe, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Eating sour vegetables regularly can increase the beneficial bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract, which not only inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria in the intestines, but also adjusts the intestinal flora, which is beneficial to intestinal health and increases the body's ability to resist viruses. Sour vegetable is rich in dietary fiber, which helps prevent constipation. Chicken has many effects on curing diseases. First of all, it can replenish the essence and marrow so that people can get a lot of nourishment after fatigue. Why does chicken have a tonic effect? It is mainly reflected in nourishing liver and blood. According to traditional Chinese medicine, chicken has the effect of replenishing liver blood. When a woman gives birth, she will bleed a lot. The liver is the organ that stores blood. At this time, stewing some chicken soup can achieve the effect of replenishing liver blood. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.